Hello guys, so today we'll be talking about Zapier. Zapier is an automation tool just like Monday.com, Airtable, Go High Level. So it is an AI automation tool where you can use AI to create, you can build from scratch, and you can also make use of templates. So it is just like by you doing a drag and drop in Zapier, and it also reduces error, helps in sales automation, social media automation, customer support automation, or what we call the chatbots, the trailing delivery, lead generation. So to get this, you can come here and type zapier.com for someone who does not have the account. So you can log in or to create the account. So once you say zapier.com, so it takes you to Zapier and you follow the process. So it's either you use your Gmail or you can use a temp mail. So this is mine. It expires after some time. So this is my own interface. So when you look at these assets, so here you can create a folder. You can create a folder under Zapier by clicking create. So every folder that you create is what comes here: your Zap flows, your tables, your forms, your chatbot, your canvases and agents. These are the things that you see under folders. Then we can go back. We can go back to home. Then under here, under home, sorry, the network is bad. So Zapier can help you to connect also apps and run automation. So these are some of the starting from scratch using agent AI teams, chatbots powered, then MC2 where you do your integration, forms automation where you use already made forms. So these are what is recommended for you. So the recommendations for you here: you can create your daily digest of inbox messages for managers here. You can send replies to incoming emails, so you can use this. Then you can create sheets for incoming, spread attachment for PMs, and the rest of it. There is a whole lot of things you can pick or what you can do on Zapier. So these are some of the automations I did recently. I created this operation, and this was what I did. I'm going to also redo it for the purpose of this video, but for today what we are talking about is we're talking about Zapier and the all aspects of Zapier. So I just will quickly give an introduction of what Zapier is all about. That you can also create tables used to integrate. Sorry, my network is kind of low today. So these are the things. You know what favorite means. Even in our WhatsApp WhatsApp group, you can see what a favorite, like all the Zap is your automations. That's what is called workflow. So in Zapier, automation is called what? Workflows. So these are your Zap. You can create table, you can create forms, you can create chatbots, you can create canvases, you can create agents. So let's look at table. So this is how you can create your table. Either you can also import table. So you can click here when you're starting from scratch. I just created a table the other day, so I just want to tell you what you can use Zapier to do. You can create folder, you can create chatbot, you can create tables, and you can also run your Zap. So let's say you want to, this is when you want to use Copilot. In monday.com, the AI there is called sidekicks. In monday.com, while in Airtable is called Omni, but here on Zapier it is called Copilot. This is what you use. So assuming you click something here, this is where you write your prompt. That's when you want AI to do it for you. So organize customer data. Then when you use it to run it, then at the end of the day, what happens? You can be able to edit based on what you have. You can import data, you can create from scratch. So let's say organize customer data. You say create a table to organize it. It's running the prompt already. So when you click this arrow here, it goes to show us what is going to happen. So the prompt that we use here is say create a table to organize customer data with columns for name, email, phone number, company, and life cycle stage. So automations can create updates and reference contacts across every tool. So add one sample record and suggest an automation that makes it not manual. So thought for a moment, it will help you to set up your customer data table. Let them first check what fields already exist with what they have, then add any missing columns. Just like I tell you, AI can just be saying, so you keep telling, okay, I want you to do this. So let's confirm what has been done here. So it has. So in every organizing your customer data, you must have the customer name, you must have the customer email, phone number, the company, and life cycle stage. Then if you have additional this you want to add, you can also add, this is adding a record. You can also add a field. Remember what we did in Airtable that make use of field, while monday.com make use of this. So you can add here, you can add fields manually, and you can just, what do you want these fields to do and all that. So let's quickly go back. This is when you want to use Zapier to do what? To create, you want to use AI, which is the Copilot in Zapier, to create what? Your tables. So that is it for that. So go back. We go back. Then remember, see now it has created it, so it comes under here, whatever it is. So you can import data. You can do a whole lot. So as time goes on, I am going to be taking it one by one, but this is an introduction. So as business owners, as companies, and the rest, so Zapier is also good for your automation to help you keep records, and it also has a free plan action for automation, which is it has, yes, a free plan and has two actions, which is trigger and action, automation workflow, which is trigger and action. So you can use it in your lead generation, training delivery, customer support automation, social media automation, just like I have mentioned earlier. So this is it for today. Probably tomorrow I will go into details so that you can be able to see what I have just created. Let's quickly look at this table I made before, because it's on this table we can use it to run an automation. Then I will teach us how forms are created. You create forms on Google Form with Google Form. Then this is it: onboarding list, first name, last name, email, phone call, and onboarding officer. So you can be able to add record. You can be able to click here, add it, or you import. Do you